2019 was the last year जब IIM कोझिकोड ने कैट कंडक्ट किया था. So what can we learn from 2019? 2019 का टेस्ट अगर देखते हो तो ब्रॉडली इट वाज वेरी सिमिलर टू 2018 एक्सेप्ट वन मेजर चेंज इन टर्म्स ऑफ द लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी ऑफ द क्वांट सेक्शन. So those of you who are scared of quant, be prepared for a slightly easier quant section compared to the last couple of years. So that is what I am expecting. In terms of DILR section, काफी अच्छा varied सा section था, if I remember correctly. In my slot, I remember that there were 2 DI sets, and उस time पे 8 sets हुआ करते थे. Out of that, there were 2 data interpretation, proper graph-based, chart-based sets that were there, and both of them were absolutely the easiest sets that you could have attempted in that particular slot. उसके साथ में 2 arrangements वाले भी puzzles आए थे. So again, those are the ones that you could have been able to manage. एक crypto arithmetic का question था, which can be intuitive at times, but कभी-कभी बहुत time consuming भी हो जाता है. So do have a look at that question type, बहुत interesting था. एक roots and networks के ऊपर question था, एक mathematical reasoning के ऊपर question था, जहाँ पे we were talking about distribution of objects by following certain rules. And there was one tournament-based set as well, which had a big table. So all those things were there. I would not say it was completely off in terms of the mainstream reasoning that was there. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. काफी manageable, काफी attemptable सा test था. So don't worry about the test at all. काफी straightforward if you ask me. And I will not be expecting anything different this year in terms of the level of difficulty or in terms of the structure of the test. तो मुझे लग रहा है काफी ठीक ठाक ही टेस्ट होगा. I don't think there is anything else that is going to happen. I can see some contemporary topics making their way to the particular reading comprehension passage. Let's say for example, be it in terms of AI, be it in terms of job losses, employment, ये सारी चीजें, global financial crisis, ये सारी चीजें हो सकती है in terms of the reading comprehension passages. But beyond that, I will not be very surprised with the test is the hope that I have. बाकी देखते हैं how it goes. So let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about CAT 2019 and what to expect from CAT 2025.